Alrighty, my friends. This is going to be offer number 3, funnel builder and email autoresponder for free for those with no money, so that you can start earning even though you don't have anything. And then once you start making some money, then you can invest in a little bit better products, or you can just stick with what you have if you're used to it. But this is where right now the video that I'm doing is going to be right here, so you'll be able to come and watch this. But so the first step, you just have to create your free System.io account. So when you click on this, it'll bring you here. Okay, and so basically this tool is pretty neat, I guess, for what for being free for a long while. It's just the fastest. You just put in your email and you get started for free. It's free forever and no credit card required, which is pretty nice. You can upgrade if you get like too many people on there. So, and I think the first level is $27. Actually, let me see. Yeah, so it goes free, 27, 47, 97. So you can see like, oh, you get up to 2,000 contacts. So that'll last you a long time. Just in all transparency, guys, I do not use this. I'm just actually researched this like 5 or 10 minutes before this because I heard about it. I knew it was free, and so I wanted to give you guys options, so that everyone in all walks of life has something to do. So go ahead and sign up right here, okay? And then what you want to do is sign up with ClickBank. I'm sure that you guys have heard of ClickBank before. Whoops. You just sign up for free. You can get access right here. Let's see. Just log in. Let's see here. And when you log in, you can go to this little store front over here. You can hit the store button, and then you can like look up whatever your niche is. So like if your niche is, if you want to talk about dogs, you want crypto or whatever you want to do, you can put in dog. And then what you want to do, like you can put gardening in there, woodworking, parenting, whatever you want to do, right? So whatever your niche is, you want to put in there. And then you want to go to gravity. Gravity just means like basically how many people are buying. So this, for example, Ted's Woodworking has always a high gravity. It's really good conversions. Same thing with dogs trainings right here. It's 97, right? So for example, you could click that, and then you could generate hop links and promote that. Okay, so you can either use those. They'll give you like like if you click here and put affiliate page, they'll give you like templates and stuff, for you to sign up for, and they'll give you some email swipes right here, that you can use. So that's definitely a possibility as well. But once you find out whatever you want to promote for free, you come back to System.io. Right, you already signed up. This is your dashboard or whatever. Oh wait, that's ClickBank. This is your let's see. This is your dashboard. So you come here. It kind of looks pretty blank, right? So first thing you want to do is you want to go to funnels, and then you'll want to do let's see. You click funnels, and then what you'll want to do is do create, and then you'll want to do custom. Do one for custom. So I was tinkering around with it already, so I just did that. And then what you'll do is you'll select an opt-in page. So I'll remove that and just show you. I shall remove both of them to show you. So you'll do create step. I'll just put test. Choose type. I put squeeze page. Squeeze page is kind of like an opt-in page. Select that, and then you just click whichever template you want to use. You can customize it later. So I'll just do this one. Then you'll customize it for whatever your niche is, and then test one or whatever. And then you'll put, for this one, you'll want to put sales page. Even though you're not selling, this is going to be the bridge. So then you just click one of these ones with a video on it. See, like you can do this one, and that's where you can bridge people. You'll make a small video, like a script, and you'll bridge them to it. And you can like view the funnel here. But once you've finished the funnel, so I'll show you then. See, like you'll put in like, hey, this is why the #1 dog, training is blah blah blah. This will be you talking, and then you'll say click the button down below to see why it's so good. And then they'll click this, and this will go to the sales page. And if you ever have help, if you ever need help, remember that there's like this beautiful thing down here that answers all the questions. So yeah, make sure to use that for everything. So that's how you set up a funnel. And then this is how you would set up your email list. But first, it sounds like I looked at the thing, and it sounds like if you go over here and you type in settings, and you go to custom domains, it looks like they're going to give you a free domain, so you can like name your website name. You'll want to do add domain, and then you'll want to do like www.dog. Let's see, dogs are awesome for real. .com. Let's see if they actually give you one. Like, I'm not going to use this account, so I'm just trying to give you guys an example of how to do it. Okay, then they'll give you the article, and you can follow the steps here. Okay, make sure you read it and do it. But once you get your domain, then you'll actually want to go to emails, and you'll go to campaigns. Then you'll be able to create. You'll name it, and then you'll be able to add an email. You'll put your sender name, so like your name, like I love dogs, whatever your name is. Then you'll put the new domain address that you just made, and then you'll put the subject line. Now, if you go back to this, you can actually copy it. This is what I'm giving to you guys for free. So it's a bunch, like 10 email swipes for a bunch of different niches. So you can use these swipes for make money online. There's a bunch there. Then the next one is, let's see, well, there's 15 for that one. Personal development. Let's see what else there is. What's next? Weight loss, so if you're in nutrition. And so basically they give you the subject line. So like when we're looking at this email, let's see here, email right here, you can put the subject line, and you can like use classic, and then all you have to do is copy and paste this exact thing in script. And then whenever you see these things right here with the underlined thing, that's where you put your link in there. And so this way you're having follow-up with them, right? And this is, again, free. So that's how you do it. You create your System.io account for free. You sign up for ClickBank for free, find some products that you want to promote, and then you copy and paste these email templates for whatever niche, okay? So hopefully that helps for everyone that does not want to spend any kind of money. Do I advise this? No. But if you can't do anything else, there it is for you, and you can earn some money and start your business, and then you can start investing in other things to make your business go a little bit better. But then you still have the opt-in page, you still have the bridge page, and you still have it go to the sales page, and you still have some emails rolling in. And so make sure to use this, because there's 10, and there's dogs, and there's a bunch of other things too. So take advantage of that. This is a huge resource. Again, I'm trying to give you guys everything that you possibly need to get going. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one. All right, thanks, bye.